tell from the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be working on my holiday bundle. I'm going to be making 3 different glosses. The first gloss we're going to make is going to be a 2-in-1 gloss, and it's going to have some beautiful decals inside, and it's going to be peppermints in it. Y'all know I had to have a peppermint gloss. It's mandatory. I already got everything measured out into the bowls, so this should be, I feel like this is actually too much because this is going to be a very, very, very limited collection. Like, I'm only making a few. So if you don't get it, then you just don't. I'm sorry. You know, once I start growing more, I'll make more. But right now, I still feel as if I'm small. And if I just make like 10 of each gloss, all 10 will not sell. That's just how I feel. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I am Sha'Naya O'Shea because I did not introduce myself. I'm Sha'Naya O'Shea. If you are new, welcome. And this is my brand, Naya's Beauty Bar. You already know we're gonna be using my signature wand tube. So pretty with the big dough applicator. Last year, my holiday bundle actually sold out within, I think, the first day. I think the first day my bundle ended up selling out. Shop with your girl. It's a great stocking stuffer if you want to, you know, get a special someone a gift, or if you want to buy yourself something. Okay, so like I said, this is a 2-in-1 gloss. We're gonna add 1 drop of blue, just 1 drop. That's all we need. And this one's gonna stay clear. I love peppermint, bro. If y'all do not have a peppermint gloss, what are y'all doing? Like, the feeling it leaves on your lips is so amazing. And it smells so good. Like, I love that cool feeling. So these are how the glosses look. We got blue and we got clear. This gloss does apply clear. For this gloss, this is what I'm going to be using. This is going to go down the bottom. This is how the first gloss looks. It's so pretty to me. the next gloss is going to be apple scented. This is one of my new scents, white snowflakes. So I'm going to be using these snowflakes, and also, I don't know if y'all can see it right there, the white snowflakes. I'm going to be using those as well, and it's going to have some holographic glitters. So let's see if this comes out how I want it to. Hopefully it does. Before I mix it, I don't think y'all can really see it, but it does have holographic glitters in it. To go ahead and work on the last gloss. So I decided that this gloss is going to be marshmallow scented. It's going to have gingerbread and candy cane decals inside. These right here. Hoping that is cute. So it's going to be nude brown down the bottom, and then it's going to be like a shimmery glitter at the top, and the decals will be at the top. I'm going to split this into 2 bowls. Okay, so this is equal. So now I'm just gonna add my pigments in and my scents. So this one will be on the bottom, this one will be on the top. This is how it looks. So it's a shimmery nude gloss, and you can see the decals somewhat in there. So these are the 3 glosses that will be in the bundle. It is very, very limited once again. You get a clear gloss that is peppermint scented, a holographic glitter gloss that is apple scented, and then a pigmented slash shimmer gloss, and it is marshmallow scented. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for being here and watching me create these glosses. I truly appreciate it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check the site so you can purchase your bundle. Get to experience some smooth, creamy, long-lasting glosses.